Hi there, students. Petulant. Great word. Petulant, an adjective. Petulantly. This means to be childishly bad tempered. Stop being such a petulant child. Yeah? Crabby. Yeah? Irritable. Okay, so somebody who's easily irritated and annoyed, particularly in a childish way. This is what petulant means. Yeah, being unreasonably bad tempered. Yeah, he's always very petulant in the mornings. Um, Stop whining like a petulant child. Sulky, moody, crabby, pouting, irritable, bad tempered, ratty, yeah, snappy, yeah. Somebody who's always cavilling is always petulant. Yeah, so somebody who's always complaining and easily annoyed, yeah, but in a very rude way and being very childish. This is the idea of petulant. Yeah. Um, he's such a petulant character that he should never have become a teacher. Yeah, be careful of the boss today. He's pretty irritable. Well, he's a petulant character. Okay, so it also has this idea of easily angered. Okay, so his role in the film was that of a petulant young lady. Okay, so it gives the idea that she's always angry and complaining about stuff, but in a very childish way. Okay, so if you're petulant, you're being unreasonably angry. Yeah, he threw the cup at me in a petulant gesture. I don't need any help from you, he said petulantly. Yeah, to speak petulantly to somebody. Yeah, impatiently, particularly over petty things, over trifles, over things that are just unimportant. Yeah, um, yeah, he made a petulant gesture and walked off. Okay, so come on, grow up. Stop being so petulant. Yeah. I think part of his character is arrogant and petulant. Yeah. When he's petulant like that, there's very little you can do about it. Just ignore him till he gets better. Yeah. Um, I'm thinking petulant sportsmen. There are one or two. I think John McEnroe comes to mind, a tennis player, but from quite a long time ago. Yeah. Okay. So petulant, yeah, is when you get angry really easily about petty matters, about things that are just totally unimportant. Yeah, your petulance is one of the few flaws in your character. So the opposite of petulant would be good natured, even tempered, good humoured, easygoing. Yeah, whereas petulant, somebody who's querulous, who's snappy, yeah, who's irascible, they're always grumpy. Yeah, a grouchy character. Yeah, stop being so petulant. Remember also it has this concept of being very childish, being unreasonable. I won't, he said petulantly. Okay, let's see. Formality. I think I would give this word. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation, although it does sound rather literary, and that's why I haven't given it a 5. It's a bit more than just the normal, but I would say you can use it anywhere. Just remember, yeah, I think in an informal conversation, easily you say, stop being so childish, stop being so childishly angry. Yeah, but you could use petulant. Sound great in an essay. Okay, and then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin, yeah, um, petulans in Latin, meaning meaning impudent or petulant, yeah, from the base verb petere, meaning to rush at, yeah, to charge at. So I guess somebody who's petulant suddenly charges at you, but mentally. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Petulant. Petulant.